What is happening, YouTube? Here we go, here we go, here we go. You already know what it is. Today is another one of these days, and then why? So you know that makes it a great day to go fishing. It is Drysdale, and today I went out fishing on Clark's Hill with Art Williams.
Hello, YouTube.
We put a couple of fish in the boat. I wasn't able to do my intro while we were on the water because we were just, catching some fish and working on some things on this boat, getting his trolling motor set up, calibrated, getting his Livescope settings together and all of that. So we did catch some fish. So thanks for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who hits the like button, everybody who leaves those comments. So let's see how we did on this episode of Crappie Fish with Drysdale. Let's go get them. I'm gonna do a couple things here. Let me see your rod here, so see which way we need to throw off of where your transducer is. Woo-wee! Bruh. All right, I'm just trying to see where your bait is. So I'm dropping right off. That's your bait right there.
Yeah.
All right, so that's good. It's calibrated good on the front. All right, now watch this. So you see your foot, your bait at 2 feet, right? Or it's gonna drop at 2 feet. I dropped it in there, and it take just a hot second for you to see it, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna pitch it out, probably about 10 feet or so, and watch how long it takes for it to show. It's in the water. There's your bait. There's your bait right there. You didn't see your bait till it was 5 to 10 feet deep.
Yeah.
You see that?
Yeah.
All right, so now that's what you have in your installation depth at 1 foot. So I ain't fishing yet, I'm just showing you stuff right now.
Yeah.
All right, so now, I throw it out just a little bit further. It should show up, there it is at 12 feet, your bait. So 12 feet out, you don't see your bait till it's 5 feet deep, right? Mm-hmm. So that little bit of a delay. Now, so that's at 1 foot installation depth. Now I'm gonna change it. So you see, this is only going to 12 feet.
Okay.
When I change this to 2.5, 3 feet, it's gonna take you all the way out to like 20, 30. So, whew. Man, you fish all day with this fishing rod, your shoulder gonna hurt. Oh my golly, this is heavy. So you see how your top line, your water line is showing at 12 feet, right? All right, so now I'm gonna change your installation depth. I'm going back to Sonar setup, installation, and I'm gonna change it to 3. Now you're all the way out to 30 something. Now, watch, you'll see the splash. So as soon as this bait hits the water, you're gonna notice it. Boom, see that? At 12 feet. Right now.
Yeah.
So that's where, these little bitty differences and subtleties and stuff in your system will help you out. So I got you at 3 feet. You in love with this color?
Not really.
All right.
I mean, I just trying to find a color. That's what it came with when I got it.
All right. So when I set up appearance, I'm gonna set you up how I like mine. I like rusted steel, color gain, about 90. So it starts jumping off of your screen, right? Color limit, keep your color limit down. Color limit about 10. I think I have mine at about 30. I have mine at 30. Keep your color limit down, your color. So I'm gonna go set up. I'm gonna change your noise reject. Now watch how you got it on off. Turn your noise reject up to high. See how that cleaned up a little bit? Ghost reject, we want that high.
It's in that setup too. You have to go back to the mid depth range.
Depth range, okay. We don't need 65 feet of water because we ain't fishing 65 feet of water. So I just changed your depth. So you see how clear your screen looks now?
Yeah.
The more you have your system looking, the more noise you'll get. All right, there you go. Go ahead and throw it out there. Now you'll be able to see when your bait hits that water. Yeah, you see him? Here he come, here he come, here he come, here he come. Got him. Ooh. So throw it out there, past in the middle of the pylon. Now, on my videos, I always tell people, you will miss a whole bunch of fish Watching TV. See how you just missed that fish? Yeah. Don't watch TV, man. Fish. You'll miss a lot of fish watching TV. Oops, missed a fish. All right, here you go. They're right smack down ahead.
Yeah, I got it.
Now, I'm gonna let you use this, and I want you to see the difference. You got another rod, right? You got a lighter rod than that. That joker right there feel like that's a striper reel. Ooh, they chasing you. There you go. There you go. Get him on up out of there, Art. Get him on up out of there, Art. She got the nerve to pull a drag too. Ooh wee.
Shit, I forgot my net too.
Yeah. Oh, you don't have your net? Uh-oh, we're gonna be in trouble today.
Oh shit.
Hey, show that off to the camera too. Make sure.
Here we go.
Yeah, that get the skunk off the boat. That's a good fish too. What's about 11 inches? 11 and a half inches. Not bad for the first one. Not bad. That's a good fish. One shot, one kill. Come here, girl. I finally got in the water. Hold on. Make sure the folks can see it. She gonna make it? There you go. All right, well that was something. There you go.
Where you wanna go?
Bring this fish in here first. Back over there. She ain't the biggest, but she gonna make the cut. She 10 inches. 10 inches make a good fillet. You fillet everything or you hold fine?
Depending on what size.
Okay.
But here we go.
Thank you.
I got the fish, man.
You're messing with me. Yep, right about there. And I would throw out past it. But there you are dropping. So see how I throw out past it, and then I let my bait drift into it. So there I am. There you are. And now I'm not even gonna watch the TV because when I know I'm in the fish, what'll happen is they'll hit the bait, you won't feel it. So if you're watching TV, you gotta watch your line. Watch your line and you'll see your line twitch. When you see that twitch, set the hook. Bait is, you got a 116, so you got 116, 124, 132. My bait is, your bait is 4 times as big as mine. Look at this.
Yeah, I saw that.
So, now that's, I just got used to using that. Let me see yours. We got the same color. There's some slack in it. So, you got a 2-inch bait, I got a 1.
Yeah.
Well, you got 2.5 probably. So, for finicky fish, if you ain't hungry, you just ate breakfast, right? Right?
Yeah.
So, for breakfast, what did you have? Eggs, you ate some sausage, potatoes. That's a big breakfast, right?
Yeah.
So you were ready to eat.
Yeah.
Okay. Would you eat that right now?
Probably not.
Why? Because you've already eaten.
Yeah.
You got a big breakfast on there. I don't know if the fish are hungry or not, but if you had a, you like M&Ms or Skittles, candies? I got what I call this a Skittle. I don't have to be hungry to eat a Skittle. If it's in front of my face, I'm gonna eat it.
Oh.
See, you got a big breakfast, I got a Skittle.
Okay.
Don't push me past it now. Right my line. There you go. Now that one, I felt a little twitch, but I saw it too. Get the fish in the boat, Chris. Get the fish in the boat. He's in there playing. There we go. Come on, stop. why they call them paper mouths. Middle. There's my line. Saw a tick. Wasn't watching TV, just watched the line. Little bitty old tick. Where did this weight come from? How about I get the fish in the boat? What do you think about that, Art?
Somebody left out of here.
Oh, there you are right there. That's you. All right.
Yeah.
Hold it right there. All right, come on out and throw it again.
See? What size, that little?
1/64 ounce jig head. When they finicky, that's what I go to. 1/64 ounce jig head, little 1-inch bait. That's what I call my skittle.
Yeah.
And I changed the color. I went from green to CMI calls this monkey smoke. I'm not. Look at the baby. Look at the baby. Ain't she cute, folks? Ain't she cute? We don't do no Jeffrey Epstein's. we let the babies go. We'll mess with the kids. So see if you could tell. Now you reel on the other side, right?
Yeah, I'm right-handed.
I'm right-handed too. That's what your problem is. You reeling on the wrong side.
That's what the problem is.
Set the hook, set the hook. Did you see that tick? All right, you down there now. You below him, so come on up. Come on up. Slow, 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 slow. There you go. He on there, he on there, he on there, he on there. Hey, man. Oh, shoot. He was still chasing you. I thought he was on there. Hey, it's a gnat. Look, when the gnat flies in, you do this, don't you? That's what they doing. Finicky fish, you gotta finesse them. That's you right there.
Yeah.
Is it a fish there? Stay right there. Here she comes. Start reeling it slow. Just slow, real slow. Real slow. Ah! Did you feel it?
Yeah.
Yeah. But it's just that touch, right?
Just that touch.
Yep. So that's where bait presentation and being in touch with your bait comes in. So when you say, what is that? Set the hook. There they were. Set. Ah, there you go. Now you felt that one though.
Yeah.
Yeah, because she hit you pretty good. Whole lot lighter than what you used to, ain't it?
Yeah, man. Hold up, dude. I think I'm gonna give you a second chance.
Let's take a look at this in slow motion. You can see I pushed off of the wall, off of the pillar, and immediately I know I'm gone. Nothing to brace my fall, but I land on my bad hip. Boom! Another look at it would be that face. But now let's take a look at Art's face as I go. He sees something's wrong. He's like, oh my goodness, ain't nothing I can do. Best to get out of the way. But then, my concern is Art smiling here? Is this a smile on his face? Y'all let me know in the comments. Is that a smile? I said it was going to happen. Said I'm smart enough to know it's going to happen, but too dumb to stop it. I saw it coming, folks. I saw it coming, and I didn't do nothing about it. All right, folks, that is going to wrap up this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. You can see Art is going to take home some nice slabs. Art, had a blast fishing with you, man. I appreciate you letting me come on your boat.
I appreciate you teaching me what you told me, brother.
All right, well, yeah. Hey, you know what? We all on this mission to rid the world of these evil but sure enough tasty crappie. We superheroes in that regard, folks. We're superheroes. So you can see, he got some slabs here. We caught some good ones today. We got a buddy that gave us some too. So as always, folks, thank you all so much for watching this channel. Thank you for everybody who hits that subscribe button. Everybody that leaves these comments. To my subscribers, you already know what it is. My long-term subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across my channel or somebody recommended this channel to you and you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with, Art Williams.
I gotta do it again.
Gotta do it, absolutely. You know what we do. And we will. Catching more of these evil, but sure enough tasty crappie. So until the next time, folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.
Later.